So guys, magpapagupit si husband. Shoutout nga pala kay Ate Myrna Go from Angono, Rizal. At shoutout din kay Sir Timothy Jr. from Tagum City, Davao del Norte. Hello po sa inyo. Thank you sa pag-subscribe. So we can go. Pumunta muna kami ng MediaMarkt. Kasi nga, bibili kami ng cable para sa GPS map.
Cable?
Yeah. This is the bar. Malapit lang talaga dito yung MediaMarkt. Lalakarin lang talaga. So yan yung MediaMarkt dito sa Benlo. Mabuti na lang guys kasi nga open pa sila until 9 PM. Kasi kakauwi lang namin galing ng work. Pero ito naman, Primark. So, tapat lang siya ng MediaMarkt. And doon sa unahan, dami pang mga store ng mga clothes. Coffee Gelato. I think this is Italian. So, there is the MediaMarkt downstairs. And this is us. Let's go inside.
We already know how it goes.
Yes. Oh, they have watch on. Oh, this is nice. Oh, I like this design. Look, my boy charger. Look at telephone. Different kinds of telephone. No? So guys, cable yung bibilhin namin. We were gonna ask if they have the cable. So they also. Sana merong cable kasi we really need guys. They have microphone. Hello. Hindi lang gadget guys yun nandito. Pati din mga appliances. So?
Nothing.
We don't have?
No.
Look, beloved, it's gaming.
Ah, yeah.
This one. You know how to use this?
It's like a car. It's very big car. That's only they have also the pedals, so riding and watching the speed, right?
Be careful.
Yeah.
How much it costs? Oh, 727 euro.
No, this is only.
I think it's already set or no?
Oh, no.
Ah, it's only TV. The screen.
It's monitor. Only monitor.
So guys, wala kaming nahanap na cable. Kailangan pa naman namin kasi nga hindi na siya gumagana. Tapos meron din dito oh. Ito yung gusto kong bilhin. Meron ako ng ganito. Nabili ko to. This is what I wanted to buy. Oh.
So no more that?
I can also use that. But this one, it's not working. Because I wanted to see how it looks like. So you see, it's very small. Something like this.
But where is the camera on? This one?
This is, yeah, it's gimbal.
This start turning, yeah?
Oh, so it's charging.
Unit.
Yes, it's very little, but it's effective filming.
That's the GoPro.
Action 5, I think that is the latest. Oh, it's not that expensive. I was thinking it's 500. Ah, this one, DJI. Mini.
This one, 1,000.
No, it's not 1,000. Should be. This one, I cannot remove. It's display. This one, GoPro. It's not Ultra. It's only Pro. You see? It's also have gimbal. So it's 1,699 euro. Ang nipis niya. Yeah. So doon pala guys yung exit. So doon sa dulo yung entrance. Oh, laki ng TV oh. How much it cost? Oh, it's only 1,300.
No, but that's not good.
So, it's Sony. Sorry.
No. We need to look for another kind.
So, Samsung oh.
Yeah, no. Like, give me a look.
Yes. It's 1,800 euro. But it's nice, no?
No. It's
This is GPS Paybo. So, ito guys yung GPS namin. TomTom. So, how much it cost? They also have, like this is the cable, oh.
Are they heavier?
What?
How much? They're not selling separately.
Yeah, the only selling set.
Maybe Garmin is better.
Mahal din siya, oh. 345.
But look at that, the screen is really...
Yeah. Hindi pa naman sira yung aming Google Map. Yung ano lang yung cable. Kaya hindi kayo bibili ng bago. Ha?
I thought maybe...
So, tingnan nyo guys, so meron din silang washing machine, refrigerator, oven, etc. So this is parking lot. Let's use the elevator. It's here. Let's go, baby. 0. So, yung wakasya lang dito is 1,000 kilograms and 13 person.
I hope you're not overweight.
Open, sesame. So guys, binilhan pala ako ni husband nitong DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. So, let's unbox. Actually, nabuksan ko na siya and I want you to show you guys kung ano yung laman niya. Si husband, bumaba na kasi nga magpapagupit siya. And hindi na ako sasama. Kasi nga, kanina, sana magpapagupit siya. Kaso umuwi kami, kasi nagluto ako. And ngayon siya na lang yung pupunta. Kasi nga, tapat lang naman siya ng aming apartment. And nandito na siya. My love! So, he will gonna go. Bye-bye. So, dyan siya. Napasok siya dun.
Filming it.
Showing your... Yes. Another. Nice! You look good! Guys, lalabas kami ni husband kasi nga gusto niya bumili ng ice cream. So, samahan natin siya. Actually, malamig pero gusto niyang kumain ng ice cream. Hinintay ko lang siya kasi nag-toilet. Dito kami guys magbili ng ice cream. Dito sa Madak. I don't know how to pronounce. Madak.
So how many scoops you want? Yeah, only one?
So yung pipiliin niya is pistachio, hazelnut, and vanilla. Yung akin is
Get with the 3 scoops.
thank you. So ito yung akin.
Pistachio. Alam niyo ba guys, ang sarap ng ice cream nila. Medyo pricey, pero worth. How much we pay this? 950.
Oh, we paid 950 euro. Malab, who is this?
It's my brother. I'm different mother.
Or maybe my sister. Actually, babe, there is a nice movie in cinema.
Right?
No, maybe. It's already.
It's already late.
There is a dance look.